We all have dreams, aspirations that ignite our souls and fuel our desires. But without a clear path, these dreams often fade, lost in the whirlwind of everyday life. Goal setting is like a compass, guiding us through the sea of possibilities and leading us to our desired destination. Goals provide direction and purpose. They act as a roadmap, outlining the steps needed to turn our dreams into reality. By setting goals, we take control of our lives and create a sense of intentionality. With each milestone achieved, we gain momentum and confidence, propelling us further along our journey. Imagine setting sail without a destination in mind. You might drift aimlessly, at the mercy of the winds and currents. This is how life can feel without goals, directionless and unfulfilled. Goal setting empowers us to chart our course and navigate the challenges that inevitably arise. Embracing goal setting is an act of self-belief. It's a declaration that we are capable of achieving great things. By setting goals, we unlock our potential and embark on a journey of growth, fulfillment, and lasting success. Not all goals are created equal. To maximize our chances of success, it's essential to set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In other words, SMART goals. Specific goals are clear and well-defined. Instead of saying I want to be healthier, a specific goal would be I will exercise for 30 minutes 3 times a week. Measurable goals allow us to track our progress and stay motivated. We can measure progress through quantifiable data like weight loss, miles run, or books read. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable. While it's important to aim high, our goals should also be grounded in reality. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to discouragement if we fall short. Relevant goals align with our values and aspirations. They should excite us and feel personally meaningful. Time-bound goals have a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and helps us stay focused. A deadline provides a clear time frame for achieving our objectives. By setting SMART goals, we create a solid foundation for success. Once we have established our SMART goals, it's time to create a roadmap for achieving them. This involves breaking down our goals into smaller, actionable steps. Start by identifying the key milestones that need to be achieved along the way. Each milestone should have its own deadline, creating mini-goals that keep us motivated. Next, we need to identify the specific actions required to reach each milestone. It's helpful to write down these actions in a planner or journal, creating a visual representation of our roadmap. As we work towards our goals, it's important to regularly review our progress and make adjustments as needed. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and our plans may need to adapt accordingly. Flexibility is key to staying on track. Remember, achieving our goals is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. The key is to persevere, learn from our mistakes, and never give up on our dreams. Section 4. Overcoming obstacles. Staying motivated on your journey. Staying motivated is crucial for achieving our goals. However, maintaining motivation can be challenging when faced with obstacles or setbacks. One effective way to stay motivated is to find an accountability partner. This could be a friend, family member, or mentor who can offer support and encouragement. Sharing our goals with others increases our commitment and provides a source of external motivation. Another helpful strategy is to create a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of our goals using images, quotes, and affirmations. By placing our vision board in a prominent location, we are constantly reminded of our aspirations. Celebrating our successes, no matter how small, is essential for staying motivated. Each milestone reached is a cause for celebration. Recognizing our accomplishments boosts our confidence and reinforces the positive feelings associated with goal achievement. Section 5. Real-life examples. The transformative power of effective goal setting. Countless individuals have transformed their lives through the power of effective goal setting. Take, for example, Oprah Winfrey, who overcame a challenging upbringing to become a media mogul and philanthropist. Oprah set clear goals for herself and worked tirelessly to achieve them, ultimately creating a global empire. Another inspiring example is Malala Yousafzai, who, after being shot by the Taliban for advocating for girls' education, went on to become the youngest Nobel Prize laureate. Malala's unwavering commitment to her goals, despite facing immense adversity, is a testament to the transformative power of goal setting. These individuals, along with countless others, demonstrate that with clear goals, unwavering determination, and a belief in oneself, anything is possible. Their stories serve as beacons of hope, reminding us that we too can achieve our dreams if we set our minds to it and take consistent action. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the journey and unleash your potential. Goal setting is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about identifying our passions, setting our sights on what we want to achieve, and then taking consistent action to make it happen. The process of setting and pursuing goals is transformative in itself. It teaches us discipline, resilience, and the importance of perseverance. By embracing the challenges and celebrating the victories along the way, we unlock our full potential and create a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Remember, the power to achieve your dreams lies within you. Start by setting clear, actionable goals, break them down into manageable steps, and never stop believing in yourself. Embrace the journey and watch as you transform your life into a masterpiece of your own design.